Good morning, Bios Cosmos Church. Another fun Minecraft video for you. So today we're going to be riding the entire southbound line to College Park Station. First, let's get to the train. Doesn't look too safe. Still fell in the station. Oh well. Anywho, let's get in there the right way. We're gonna take the northbound train, the southbound train. I got kicked out of the tunnel. You know what? I might be better off taking a boat because this is never gonna stop. I might be better off taking a boat. There is boats over here. This is the marina. Just got to kind of swim to it. There should be a boat available. Ah, I'm in luck. There's one more boat. Take this one right here. This boat is supposed to take me right outside of what this train would have done was had me go to I think the next station was Jacob's. I mean, no, not Jacob's Well. Hugh Mill Station, something Mill Station, and then I forgot the one. I think the big one, the big station that's in the middle of nowhere. But there's two stations before this marina, which you're about to see right now. I might make a part to it, just depend how much of the trip we get done. But yeah, we're not gonna get to see those two. Oh no, Cosmos. It could have been Cosmos is the station we're going into now. This marina has a direct link to the station, unlike the other one where you have to swim across. The beacon show you where to go. Oh, that's the marina that showed up right there. And then we're relatively quick all the way from Cosmos Station to this is the biggest marina. Could never find any decent parking. Pay for my ticket. Nobody in the windows, I just walk free. I think I'll just slide. No. Yeah, this is Cosmo Station. Just wait for the train to arrive. This train is bound for College Park Station. Please remember that it's against the law to eat on buses and trains, drink on buses and trains, smoke, or use sound devices without earphones while riding BART. Por favor, quer comendo buses e trens. Beba em buses e trens. Básico, plástico reciclable. Fumar ou para telefones celífinos mientras viaja BART. This train is bound for College Park Station. As you see, we really are going north now. The counter on the screen is going up. This train will be slowing down and standing by for just a moment. Please hold on. This train is standing by for just a moment. Thank you for your patience. Train is moving. Please hold on. The next station is Jacob's Well. Jacob's Well Station. The next station is Jacob's Well. La siguiente estación is Jacob's Well. Exit here for the Bios Park Community District. In BART, we want everyone to enjoy the ride. Learn more about our code of conduct at itsbart.com. Great Marta, great Bart, great musical viaje. Quiz ancestor junta at itsbart.com. This train is bound for College Park Station. The next station is King's Cross Station. This is your transfer point between all rail lines. King's Cross. The next station is King's Cross. La siguiente estación